case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1976 case, Beavers v. Lamplighters Realty, Inc., the Court of Appeals of Oklahoma established that an individual could be held responsible for the harm caused by lying to someone, inducing them to take action. The case involved a prospective homebuyer who was shown a property by a real estate agent. After stating that the asking price was too high, the agent falsely claimed that the original builder was interested in purchasing the house for a higher price. Feeling pressured, the plaintiff raised their offer to $37,250 and signed a contract. Later, it was discovered that the agent had also made false representations about the house's condition, resulting in an additional $6,000 spent on repairs. The plaintiff sued for damages, but the court initially ruled in favor of the defendant. However, upon appeal, the court reversed its decision, determining that the defendant was responsible for at least nominal damages, which supported punitive damages. The court found that the plaintiff had overpaid by $250 and rejected the caveat emptor rule, recognizing a buyer's right to trust the seller or their agent. As a result, recovery could be denied in fraudulent real estate sales, and the plaintiff successfully proved malicious fraud, earning them punitive damages. This established a legal precedent for holding individuals accountable for deceitful actions in similar cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.